Top 15 AI agent development companies in the USA, sized for real projects. LITSLINK. The full-stack pick when one team needs to own the entire AI agent build. At a glance, California HQ. Founded 2014. Clutch 4.9 over 5. $50 to $99 per hour. 300-plus products shipped. AI-assisted software development company. LITSLINK has shipped 300-plus products across health tech, fintech, SaaS, and enterprise software. Its AI practice spans the full stack, from agent architecture and LLM integration to machine learning, AI as a service, and cloud infrastructure on AWS, Azure, and GCP, so one team owns the build end-to-end. LITSLINK develops custom AI agents end-to-end, from scoping and architecture through LLM integration, back-end engineering, and cloud deployment. Their agents span autonomous workflow agents, AI copilots, LLM-powered chatbots, and AI as a service setups. LITSLINK publishes an AI cost estimation calculator, giving buyers budget transparency before discovery call. On top of the agent work itself, LITSLINK applies AI throughout its own software development lifecycle, letting the team move from spec to deployable code in less time and with fewer engineering drift errors. Right call when you're a startup or mid-market team that needs a US-based partner to own the full build, agent architecture through production deployment, without enterprise overhead, offshore handoffs, or a long procurement cycle. ScienceSoft. The pick when an agent has to clear HIPAA, BFSI, or audit before it ships. At a glance, McKinney, Texas, HQ, founded 1989, clutch 4.8 over 5, $50 to $99 per hour, 750-plus experts in the US, GCC, and EU. ScienceSoft USA Corporation has been engineering software since 1989, serving clients in 70-plus countries across 30-plus industries. Recognition includes Incower's 5,000 honoree status, Newsweek's Most Reliable Companies, an IAOP Global Outsourcing 100 listing, and a FinTech Futures Banking Tech Award 2024 win. Right call when you're in a regulated industry, healthcare, banking, insurance, manufacturing, and need an AI agent vendor with depth in security and governance, not just LLM plumbing. Tkxel. The pick when the agent has to live inside an already running system. At a glance, Reston, Virginia HQ, founded 2008, clutch 4.9 over 5 across $25 to $49 per hour, top 1% global service provider on Clutch. Tkxel is a software engineering and AI development firm partnering with self-funded startups through Fortune 500s. The firm has been recognized as a Clutch global leader for development and IT services and named a top Salesforce consultant by Clutch. Tkxel's AI agent practice is explicitly focused on the production readiness gap that most pilots fail to close. The firm builds intelligent, agentic systems that integrate with existing workflows, automate high-friction processes, and operate reliably under real-world load. Right call when you have an existing operational stack, CRM, ERP, support platform, and the agent has to slot in cleanly rather than force a rebuild. Biz4 Group. The pick when you want serious AI engineering hours without coastal pricing. At a glance, Orlando, Florida HQ, founded 2003, clutch 4.9 over 5, $25 to $49 per hour, 300-plus engineers, architects, and leaders. Biz4 Group is a US-based AI development firm with 20-plus years of experience. Recognition includes Clutch Champion status and a feature among the top 10 best AI companies in Florida, USA 2026. The firm positions itself as a US-based AI agent development company that delivers custom AI consulting and engineering, at a rate well below that of most U.S. peers. Clutch reviews cite technical depth in AI, mobile, and IoT integrations, alongside strong PM and on-time delivery. Right call when you're in the mid-market, the project is real, but the budget can't absorb $200 per hour coastal tier rates. Cleveroad. The pick for a modern LLM/RAG/agent stack without enterprise procurement. At a glance, New York, NYHQ, founded 2011, clutch 4.9 over 5, $25 to $49 per hour, ranked 11th on Clutch 1000 in 2025. Cleveroad has been named a Clutch Global Leader for Software Development Services 2025 and holds Premier Verified status on Clutch. The AI and Intelligent Systems practice covers LLM integrations, RAG retrieval, AI agents, and LangChain orchestration, the same toolset top-tier consultancies use, available without their procurement timelines. SMB and mid-market teams get a modern agent stack from a U.S.-headquartered firm with deep public review. Right call when you want LLM plus RAG plus LangChain expertise from a U.S.-headquartered firm, but you're not willing to onboard an enterprise consultancy to get it. Imaginovation. The pick when the agent must live inside an existing app. At a glance, Raleigh, North Carolina, HQ, founded 2011. Clutch 4.9 over 5, $50 to $99 per hour, 96% client retention across 500-plus delivered projects. Imaginovation is a U.S.-based custom software firm that has shipped 500-plus projects across healthcare, logistics, manufacturing, and retail since 2011. Imaginovation's AI development practice is built to embed intelligent features directly into web and mobile applications. The fit profile is clear. Clients with a working app who need the agent layer baked into the product, not running as a side service. Right call when you already have a web or mobile app, and the AI agent must live inside it rather than beside it. Sidebench. The healthcare AI pick, product strategy, design, and engineering in one team. At a glance, Los Angeles, California, HQ, founded 2012, clutch 4.9 over 5, $50 to $99 per hour, ranked number 50 on Clutch 1000. Sidebench was selected from 58,000-plus global professional services firms for its top 50 Clutch 1000 placement, and was named a leading 2022 B2B company in Santa Monica by Clutch. The firm has also been recognized as a global leader in mobile app development and UX design. Sidebench designs, builds, and scales digital products and data platforms for major health companies and high-growth ventures. For AI buyers in healthcare, that depth shows up in the architecture. Agents designed from day one around HIPAA, EHR integration, and clinical workflows, rather than retrofitted later. Right call when you're in healthcare or high-growth ventures and need a U.S. partner, combining product strategy, design, and AI engineering under one roof. Designli. The pick for non-technical founders who need product judgment, not just dev hours. At a glance, Greenville, South Carolina, HQ, founded 2013, clutch 5 out of 5, $50 to $99 per hour, top 1,000 global service provider, 2022 by Clutch. Designli ranks in the top 200 of 160,000-plus service providers on Clutch and remain the only Greenville, South Carolina firm on the global top 1,000 list. Reviewers consistently flag responsiveness, flexibility, and high client satisfaction. Where most agencies sell hours, Designli pairs non-technical software founders with full-time, founder-aligned product teams, engineers, designers, and product owners working as one unit. That structure tends to convert into faster MVP cycles for buyers who need product thinking, not just LLM engineering. Right call when. You're a non-technical founder shipping a first AI agent product, and you need a partner who'll bring product judgment alongside the engineering. Dogtown Media. The mobile-first pick. The agent ships inside an iOS, Android, or wearable app. At a glance. El Segundo, California, HQ. Founded 2011. Clutch 4.9 over 5. $100 to $149 per hour. Top app developer in Los Angeles and top U.S. service provider by Clutch. Dogtown Media has been delivering mobile-first software since 2011, with a stack that increasingly leans into AI mobile app development and wearables. The differentiator is the surface area where the agent runs. Mobile and wearable AI introduces problems most cloud-only shops never face: battery cost, on-device inference, push UX, OS-level permissions, intermittent connectivity. Dogtown has shipped enough mobile-first AI to know those trade-offs by reflex. Right call when. Your AI agent has to ship inside a mobile app, on a wearable, or as part of an IoT product, not in a browser. Topflight Apps. The HIPAA-AI grade healthcare pick at a non-coastal hourly rate. At a glance. Irvine, California, HQ. Founded 2016. Clutch 4.9 over 5. $100 to $149 per hour. Premier health app launch and AI consultancy partner in California. Spotlight Apps positions as a healthcare app development specialist. The team is built around the regulatory and integration layer. Topflight's public positioning covers HIPAA-compliant software, EHR integration, and generative AI under one umbrella, meaning a healthcare buyer doesn't have to reconcile compliance and AI strategy across two separate vendors. Right call when. You're a healthcare founder or product team launching a HIPAA-grade product with built-in AI/agent capabilities, and you want a single launch partner rather than a stitched stack. Praxent. The fintech pick where design polish and core system integration both matter. At a glance. Austin, Texas, HQ. Founded 2000, clutch 4.8 over 5 of $50 to $99 per hour. Best software development company in Texas by Clutch. Praxent concentrates almost entirely on financial technology. For AI agent buyers in wealth, lending, insurance, or banking, Praxent's depth in fintech UX and core systems matters more than a generic LLM playbook. That design discipline shows up downstream as agents customers actually use rather than agents that look impressive in screenshots. Right call when. You're shipping an AI agent inside a fintech product, and you need both consumer-grade UX and serious core system integration. Goji Labs. The pick when we should add AI needs to become a defensible product. At a glance. Los Angeles, California, HQ. Founded 2014. Clutch 4.9 over 5. $100 to $149 per hour. Goji Labs has helped leading brands launch 400-plus digital products over the past decade. What sets the firm apart is the strategy stage. Goji Labs leads with product strategy and UI/UX before architecture. Useful when leadership hands the team a vague, "we should add AI" mandate that needs to be converted into a real, defensible product spec. Right call when. You've been told to add AI but don't yet have a product brief, and you need a partner who can build the strategy alongside the engineering. Iflexion. The enterprise picks when the agent has to reason on top of a mature data infrastructure. At a glance. Decatur, Georgia, HQ. Founded 1999. Clutch 4.9 over 5. $25 to $49 per hour. Combined AI, AR/VR, and IoT capability. Iflexion has been operating since 1999 with an enterprise posture, large data estates, mature integration requirements, and AI features built on top of complex BI and analytics platforms. The firm's combined AI, AR/VR, IoT, and big data engineering capability is the differentiator. Iflexion fits when the agent has to reason across large historical data sets, real-time streams, or enterprise data warehouses. Right call when. You're a mid to large enterprise, and the agent has to operate on top of a mature data infrastructure rather than greenfield app code. Spiral Scout. The pick when production ready means production, not a polished slide. At a glance, San Francisco, California, HQ, founded 2010, $50 to $99 per hour, Clutch 2025 Global Winner for AI Agents and a 2026 Clutch Recognized AI Agent Expert. Spiral Scout's team of 120-plus engineers and 600-plus projects specializes in AI implementation, temporal-based orchestration, and legacy system modernization. Their AI agent practice spans 6 lanes: intelligent workflow automation, ecosystem integration with CRMs/ERPs/custom APIs, adaptive multi-agent systems on WIPI, secure enterprise copilots, generative voice and UI experiences, and ROI-anchored implementation. Engineers embed directly into the client's workflow, act like owners rather than consultants, and the deliverable is a working system that the in-house team can run independently. Right call when. You've already had a POC that demoed well but stalled, and now you need a US headquartered partner whose entire pitch is operational rigor, error handling, auditability, observability, and a system your team can actually run. Rootstrap. The high-growth product pick, senior engineering and a modern agent toolset. At a glance, Beverly Hills, California, HQ, founded 2011, Clutch 4.8 over 5, $50 to $99 per hour, trusted by Google, Masterclass, and high-growth startups. Rootstrap is an award-winning custom software development agency that has built web and mobile apps for publicly traded companies, public figures, and high-growth startups. The AI practice covers LLMs, RAG pipelines, AI agents, LangChain, RLHF, ML, and computer vision. Reviews consistently call out senior engineering quality and strong communication, the conditions that decide whether an agent ships or stalls. Right call when. You're a high-growth product team or consumer brand that needs a US-headquartered partner with senior engineering and a modern AI agent toolset. Here's a comparison of the top AI agent development companies in 2026, including their ratings, pricing, and areas of expertise. From healthcare and fintech to full-stack AI automation, these companies help businesses build scalable AI-powered products and workflows.